To the trial of a man who threw a pie right in the face of former Sacramento Mayor Kevin Johnson. Day 4 of jury deliberations today. Chris Thomas joins us with today's decision, or lack thereof, and what one juror told us about the case. Chris?
Well, Dale, Sean Thompson faces a felony assault charge, and after 4 days of deliberations, we learned we may have to do this all over again. Those 4 days led to a hung jury, and today the judge declared a mistrial. That means Thompson could be retried in the case if the district attorney decides to move forward. We asked Thompson after court what he thought about that possibility.
I think the one thing we could really take away is that this was kind of a controversial issue for the members of the jury and probably the members of the community at large. And I think it would be extremely likely if we did take this back to court, it'd probably be another mistrial.
Well, meanwhile, the jury can finally go home, but what took so long? 4 days? Some murder trials get decided faster than that. We asked one of the jurors. Take a listen.
A lot of cases, they're very straightforward, right? In this case, you know, if you look at an assault, somebody punching is an assault. Is a pie in the face automatically an assault? I think people watching this, you know, would think, oh, that's not so clear cut. And that's really what took the time, was it wasn't what one thinks of as a paradigm battery or assault. It's, you know, a pie in the face, and there's a certain association with that of comedians and, you know, walk-off home runs or whatever that is different from what you'd have if somebody punches somebody.
And that juror also told us the next jury would likely have just as hard a time. In a statement sent to ABC 10, the district attorney said they will evaluate the likelihood of conviction and the, quote, interests of justice in deciding on a possible retrial. If there is a retrial, Thompson's attorney said today they will push hard to have former Mayor Kevin Johnson take the stand, something they were not able to do this time around. And so we'll see what happens, Dale. It will be interesting to see, though, if this comes back up again.